Alright, Banks 101, we back live this morning, YouTube. We got our air filter change we're doing today. And believe it or not, we went to Walmart. We're gonna try this Super Tech 1520 model number air filter. And while we was at it, we had to add a quart of oil because we was a little bit short. So what I did was here, we got our G25. Took out these, what is it? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6 back there. So we got our 6 screws out, and we have to get rid of this here. So we are going to, I guess we can lift this tab up and push this in, assemble that. All right, let me get a pause. I need 2 hands for this one. Use a screwdriver, try to spatula. This out the way. We're just gonna work it out. Alright, y'all, we got it out. So this is the old one. See how nasty and dirty it is. Alright, y'all, so we'll try to get that new one out. Damn, it looks like identical. The new one. Alright, y'all, so got an old one, got a new one. Make sure you get all this. I don't have no shop here, so we're using the old hot breath treatment. But yeah. Down in the hole. See our old one in here. Get it up. Bam. So we take the old one out. Take it out. Leave that lip folded up. Hold on. Leave that lip folded up. Filter in. Make sure you got the gasket all the way around. Alright, some old one going in. All we do is reverse process. This your master little system down in here. Lift this little cover up, get it back in. good place. I'll make sure we get everything lined up down here though. There we go. Big line. Damn. Everything's back in. And we'll just put our screws back in. 1, 2. 3. 3. We got 4. 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're missing a screw. I wonder how that happened. Well, this is it, y'all. We're just going ahead and tighten them back down. Hold on. Alright, you just want to make sure that you get this piece right here. So you get that piece. Right there. Right here, all the way down. Right here. Make sure I get in that hole. So these two pieces are made up. Same thing over here. These two right here. Right here. Make sure you get in that hole.
Hey, shit. What I tell you, nigga, when I come out of jail, what I was gonna do?
And once we get that in, just zip them back in. You know what I'm saying? We just do it like this. And then we gonna zip these in. Don't forget to put our connector back in. Early morning maintenance, so we're gonna have to do it later. Always keep something going on the channel. Got a lot of stuff that I ain't uploaded, but you know, trying to see who needs the service. That's all. Hold on. All right, y'all. As you can see, got our filter back in. Everything's connected. Got our connector back up. Old filter looks bad. Alright, we're just topping off our oil. Making sure everything's right. A little maintenance for the week. I ain't been under this hood in about a couple weeks or so, something like that. A little bit more oil. Almost took a quart. Well, let's say it takes 6.2 quarts during the oil change, but I think I only put 2 in here. And it's only been about 5,000 miles maybe. So we just making sure that we got enough oil in here. keeping maintenance in order around here. So 100,000 miles. Recommended time for those plugs to be changed. 100,000 miles. Shit, you might have to get that water pump changed. So it don't matter if it's a 13, 14, 15, 16. If you exceeding almost 100,000, or if you exceeding to 100,000, and you haven't replaced the plug or the dang on water pump yet, hey, you might need to do it. But if you ain't changed that oil filter, if you ain't changed that air filter yet, you're gonna definitely need it, because it's gonna be looking like this, y'all. I guarantee y'all this. This filter right here is only probably about, shit, I don't know. I put this filter in probably like maybe I want to say maybe a year, but I think I put it in after the water pump, and the water pump was Super Bowl 22. So I get an estimated miles. I think it's on here from when I put it in, but I think if it's about 15,000 on the odometer, probably about, this filter lasted about maybe 10,000 miles. And this was a Fram right here. Nope. I think this was a STP. I don't remember. But this one right here, we see it says up to 3 years. Up to 30,000 miles, 3 years. So super tech, we about to see what y'all about. And all right, Banks 101, we about to close this up. Holla. Thanks for tuning.